Imagine having a strong and toned physique achievable without setting foot in a gym. No need for elaborate equipment, just the weight of your own body. It may sound far-fetched, but keep watching this video because we're about to reveal 7 essential exercises for men that can dramatically reshape your body and enhance your fitness levels, all from the comfort of your home in just a month. The last exercise is a game changer. This ultimate move builds muscle, burns fat, and enhances your strength in one powerful action. Are you ready to unleash your full potential? Let's dive in. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are among the most fundamental exercises that every man should incorporate into his fitness regimen. They are straightforward, adaptable, and exceptionally effective at enhancing strength, endurance, and muscular definition. This exercise mainly targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but it also engages your core, lower back, and even your legs to stabilize your body during the movement. This makes push-ups an excellent full-body workout that requires no equipment, allowing you to perform them anytime and anywhere. For men, this translates into better posture, improved muscle definition, and increased functional strength that translates to daily tasks and physical activities. Whether it's enhancing your performance in sports, increasing your confidence, or simply looking good in a t-shirt, push-ups are a staple exercise. Additionally, they serve as a dependable way to boost testosterone levels. Resistance exercises like push-ups stimulate testosterone production, which is vital for muscle growth, energy levels, and overall male health. Including them in your routine can lead to improved hormonal balance and faster recovery after workouts. Another significant advantage is their scalability. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned athlete, push-ups can be adjusted to suit your fitness level. If you're just starting, begin with knee push-ups or incline push-ups, then progress to advanced variations like diamond push-ups, clapping push-ups, or even weighted push-ups as your strength improves. Number 2. Squats. Squats are often referred to as the king of exercises for good reason. They are one of the most efficient and versatile movements for building lower body strength, enhancing overall fitness, and boosting athletic performance. For men, squats are particularly advantageous since they target key areas critical for strength, power, and physique. They engage the major muscles in the legs, such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Squats also work the core, lower back, and stabilizing muscles, making them a comprehensive powerhouse exercise. One key benefit of squats for men is their capacity to elevate testosterone and growth hormone levels, hormones essential for muscle development, fat loss, and overall male health. By engaging some of the largest muscle groups in the body, squats generate a notable hormonal response that aids in quicker recovery and better overall performance. Whether your aim is to build muscle, burn fat, or enhance functional strength, squats are a vital part of your fitness regimen. They replicate natural movements like sitting and standing, so they help build strength that directly transfers to everyday activities. Additionally, squats promote better posture, improve mobility, and enhance balance, making them crucial for overall physical health and longevity. Furthermore, squats are highly scalable. Beginners can start with bodyweight squats to refine their form, while more advanced athletes can add resistance using dumbbells, kettlebells, or a barbell to increase the challenge. Regardless of your fitness level, squats provide excellent results. Number 3. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are the ultimate indicator of upper body strength and control, making them an essential exercise in every man's fitness routine. This compound movement targets the lats, traps, biceps, shoulders, and even the core, helping you build a broad muscular back and strong arms. Pull-ups enhance not only strength and endurance, but also grip, a crucial element of functional fitness and athletic performance. They serve as a true measure of relative strength, requiring you to lift and manage your body weight. For men, this skill is especially valuable as it showcases your efficiency in movement and demonstrates raw functional strength. Mastering pull-ups boosts confidence and helps develop an impressive V-shaped torso with a wide back and a tapered waist, a classic hallmark of a strong athletic build. Beyond aesthetics, pull-ups improve overall upper body mobility and joint stability, reinforcing the muscles around the shoulders and elbows, which reduces injury risks during other exercises or physical activities. Though challenging, pull-ups are rewarding. Beginners can start with simply hanging from the bar to enhance grip strength and shoulder stability. As strength builds, one can progress to full pull-ups, and for those looking to take it further, weighted pull-ups can increase the intensity and help develop significant upper body muscle mass. Number 4. Plank. The plank is the ultimate exercise for building core strength, stability, and endurance. While it may appear simple, holding a plank engages nearly every muscle in your body, including your abs, lower back, shoulders, glutes, and even your legs. This makes it one of the most effective full-body exercises available, providing maximum benefits with minimal space or equipment. A major advantage of the plank is its ability to enhance posture. For men who spend long hours sitting at a desk or driving, poor posture can lead to chronic back pain and limited mobility. Planking strengthens the muscles that support your spine, enabling you to maintain an upright and confident posture that exudes strength and vitality. The plank is also incredibly versatile. Men at any fitness level can benefit from this exercise by experimenting with its many variations. Beginners can start with forearm planks, while more advanced individuals can try side planks to challenge their strength and balance. Those who want to elevate their planking routine can incorporate mountain climbers. This dynamic variation not only boosts core strength, but also enhances cardiovascular endurance and engages your lower body, creating a fantastic blend of strength and cardio. Mountain climbers are ideal for burning calories and building explosive power in your legs, enhancing performance in sports and high-intensity workouts. Number 5. Dips. Dips are a powerful exercise that every man should master to build upper body strength and muscular definition. They primarily target the chest, triceps, and shoulders, while also engaging the core and upper back for stability. Dips are a compound movement, which means they work multiple muscle groups at the same time, making them an efficient and effective way to boost fitness. Dips are versatile and can be performed in various forms to meet your goals or fitness level. Parallel bar dips focus on the chest and shoulders when executed with a slight forward lean, helping you achieve a broader and more muscular chest. Conversely, keeping your body upright shifts the emphasis to the triceps, making dips a crucial exercise for sculpting well-defined arms. Bench dips are an excellent option for beginners or those without access to parallel bars. All you need is a bench, chair, or sturdy surface to perform this exercise effectively. Bench dips allow you to isolate the triceps and build strength with a controlled motion, requiring minimal equipment. For men wanting to enhance arm strength or warm up before more complex exercises, bench dips are an ideal choice. They serve as a great introduction to full parallel bar dips, assisting you in mastering the movement mechanics while building confidence and stability. Number 6. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a timeless classic that deliver impressive results as a full-body exercise. They engage several muscle groups, including your legs, arms, core, and shoulders, while simultaneously boosting cardiovascular fitness. This simple yet effective movement increases heart rate, enhances coordination, and strengthens muscles, making it an essential component of any fitness regimen. What sets jumping jacks apart is their adaptability. They are beginner-friendly, require no equipment, and can be performed anywhere, making them perfect for quick workouts or warm-ups. For advanced athletes, jumping jacks serve as a great addition to high-intensity interval training, aiding in calorie burning and endurance improvement. They also act as a metabolism booster, as their energetic nature ramps up calorie expenditure and keeps your body in a fat-burning mode even after your workout. For men looking to enhance their body composition, jumping jacks are an excellent strategy for shedding fat while retaining muscle definition. Jumping jacks benefit not only physical fitness, but also mental health by releasing endorphins, which help alleviate stress, enhance mood, and increase overall energy levels. This makes them a fantastic exercise for men juggling busy schedules, as even a few minutes of jumping jacks can provide a quick mental reset and contribute to physical well-being. Number 7. Burpees. Burpees are the ultimate full-body exercise, combining strength, endurance, and cardiovascular conditioning into one powerful move. This dynamic exercise targets various muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, arms, core, glutes, and legs, while also raising your heart rate for an intense calorie burn. Whether your goal is to build muscle, lose fat, or boost overall athletic performance, burpees offer a comprehensive solution for total fitness. They mimic real-life functional movements, making them exceptionally effective for enhancing strength and mobility in daily activities. Moreover, burpees develop explosive power and mental resilience, as each repetition challenges your stamina, coordination, and determination. One significant advantage of burpees is that they can easily be incorporated into any workout routine, making them a valuable addition to your fitness arsenal. Burpees are remarkable for their effectiveness in enhancing cardiovascular fitness. Few workouts can raise your heart rate as swiftly or efficiently as burpees, which makes them an excellent option for boosting heart health and lung capacity. Another significant benefit is their function as a metabolic powerhouse. Burpees are widely recognized for their capacity to burn a considerable number of calories in a brief period, making them perfect for individuals focused on fat loss or maintaining a lean physique. The afterburn effect guarantees that your body continues to expend calories even after completing your workout, which aids in staying fit. For those looking to optimize their time while achieving maximum results, burpees provide a comprehensive exercise solution. They eliminate the necessity for various machines or equipment, since you can engage your entire body with a single movement. What's your preferred exercise? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to check out other videos. Goodbye.